there, everyone. It's me, Stacy here, and I'm going to be making some food. So, this is a dinner. I will be making a lasagna dinner with ice cream for dessert and olive bread on the side. So let's start with the olive bread. You'll need 2 pieces of bread and some olive oil. This is very simple. If you want it to be if you want the olive bread to be heated, pop them in the toaster before putting the olive oil on. I don't really like my olive bread heated, so I'm just going to directly put the olive oil on now. Make sure not to put so much on that the bread soaks it up like a sponge. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to start with the lasagna. Put your olive oil aside and let's get cooking. First, you'll need a pan. Here's my pan. You'll need to start layering the dough on the bottom and add whatever you want. And then add a layer of tomatoes, spinach, whatever you would like to put in your homemade lasagna. Then over the top of the first layer, put another piece of dough, layer on whatever next you want, and then another piece of dough. Repeat this until it has fully filled to the top, like this. Now you just pop it in the oven and wait. Now for the strawberry ice cream. First, take a bowl. I'm going to make a small amount of strawberry ice cream since I'm just feeding myself today. Possibly someone else who happens to stop by. But here is my small purple bowl. Now get some creamery. I strongly suggest that you use the Starbucks kind. Next is the strawberry flavoring and some strawberries. Let that cool in the freezer for about an hour or so. Bing! Looks like our lasagna is done. It seems to be really hot, so we're going to set it off to the side and let it cool. Now, back to that ice cream. Wait a little while. Do whatever you would like to pass the time. Maybe read a book. Or maybe go hang out with your friend for a little bit. But if you set a timer for an hour, once you hear that timer go off, go and get your ice cream out of the freezer. Because if you put it in too long, it might get freezer burn. Well, I have now invited somebody to come and eat this wonderful dinner with me. So, I have already put our strawberry ice cream in little green bowls for me and my friend. Take everything off the table and decorate it. See this plain white table? Add a table runner. 2 very colorful and printed plates, napkins, and now set up for dinner. Oh look, here comes my friend. Hey! What's up? Hi Tracy, I'm glad you could join me for this wonderful dinner. Please take a seat. Why do you sound all formal? This is my audition for the Cooking Academy. Oh, sure! I would love to take a wonderful green seat. Don't be so enthusiastic. Okay, I'll take a seat, sure. So pretty. Well, come on, let's dig in. I just love lasagna. Yum! I'll give you a piece. Me. Can we have dessert now? Did you finish all of your bread? And your lasagna? Yes. Okay, we can have dessert. That was delicious. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye. And I hope that my tips and tricks for cooking helped you.